Behold the opening! Hi, Internet, and possibly my niece and nephew who gave me this amazing finger puppet thingy. So when I thought you were sending me finger puppets, this was totally what I expected, yes. Fingers coming out of cards, it's adorable. So let's see what's inside, you guys. Masterpuppet Theater, the world of Shakespeare at your fingertips. First, let's look at this back. What's in here? There's a bear card. What? There's a bear. I don't remember Shakespeare having a bear, but that's going to be interesting. What is this? Right here. What? Is that a robot? There's a robot. There's
there a robot?
What is
Shakespeare?
I don't. You know what? I'm just gonna. Okay. Here. You're enjoying this. Here, you hold this.
Here. I'm in the middle of something.
Hold this so I can. I'm opening it. You're covering the camera.
Yeah.
Good job. All right. Let's see what's in here. Glorious. Here we go. Masterpuppet Theater, the world of Shakespeare at your fingertips. And here's this thing. I'm not sure what it's for. Yep. Okay. And what is this booklet? Let's see. Little adaptations of the plays. Yep. There are adaptations of the plays. See, there's King Lear. Now our joy, although the last and least to those whose young love the vines of France and milk of Burgundy strive to be interested. What can you say to draw a third more opulent than your sisters? Speak. So there's little selections, it looks like, in this book for you to do. Okay. I still don't know what this is for, but we'll find out. And here are the characters. Let's check these characters out. Oh my gosh. Come here. In my... Yep. Here we go. We have Hamlet. And Macbeth. Okay. That's also Hamlet and Macbeth. So we've got two of those. All right. Gertrude. Lady Macbeth. I'm seeing a pattern here. Horatio. And on the back is a witch. Gravedigger and another witch. So this would look like like this. This is amazing. Okay. What's next? Let's see. Ophelia and another witch. At least the witches are different, not the same. Rosencrantz, King Lear. Okay. Why are there two Rosencrantz? Well, there's Guildenstern. Are there two There's only one Guildenstern, but there's two Rosencrantz. Of course there are. I don't know why. Maybe that's why everyone's confused about who is who. And the Fool. Oh, I see. So maybe Guildenstern is the Fool. Maybe that's what we're saying here. All right. Portia and Goneril. Yeah. Antonio and Cordelia. Puck and Romeo. There's a fairy. And Juliet. Another fairy and another Juliet. She's so popular. Look at that face. It's beautiful. We've got Bottom and Bottom. Oh my gosh, that's horrifying. Okay, so there is before transformation, and that is after. What? After transformation. Okay, everybody. Here is the next packet. Let's look at these. Oops.
I'm wearing these for church.
Come on.
I'm wearing these on Christmas.
All right. Whoops. Goodness gracious, having an interesting day. Here's the ghost. And the doctor. Okay. Jacques. And Desdemona. Poor tragic Desdemona. Yes. Okay. And we've got Orlando. Antigonus. I can't remember which one he's in, actually.
Who?
Antigonus. He's like carrying a sack of flour or something. Rosalind and Rosalind. One as a girl and one as undercover, dude. That is the same face, so I'm pretty pleased with this transformation.
So it's not supposed to be
Without a hat, with a hat. I'm a girl when I don't have a hat, but look at me, now I'm a boy because I'm wearing a hat. Okay.
Are you sure that's not supposed to be the twin brother?
No. There we go. All right, here we go. Katarina. That's beautiful. Richard III. Wow. Nice expression. Okay. And now Petruchio and Lady Anne. Okay. Henry IV. Ferdinand. We've got Falstaff. And Prospero. Joan la... Wait, okay. Who's up? Okay. Miranda. York. House of York. Oh, hello, Caliban. That is, fascinating rendition of Caliban. Shakespeare's in here. You gotta put Shakespeare. And Julius Caesar. Because really, Shakespeare is Julius Caesar. Okay. Next. Oh my gosh, Yorick, why? What have you done to Yorick? He's supposed to be a skeleton, not a zombie without a head. Ah! That's amazing! What? Oh my gosh, Cleopatra. Wait.
Why is Cleopatra on the other side?
Hi, Cleopatra. I can't. Yorick. Alas, he was my friend. Dude! Hamlet doesn't hold Yorick's zombie corpse. It's the headless Yorick. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh, they've even got, like, guts and stuff. That's the one. Wait, there's a robot. I found the robot. Why is there a robot in the finger?
Does it say robot or what?
It says 2B R circle with a slash through it, so I'm assuming not 2B. 2B are not or not to be is the idea, I think. 2B or not to be. Who was on the other side? Wait. Come back.
Dropping
Come back. Come back. Mark Antony. Really? To be or not to be, Mark Antony. I'm gonna use this in everything, of course. As well as Yorick, because who doesn't want to see that beautiful thing? Beautiful headless creation. Caliban.
Wait, we said Cleopatra was on the other side of York,
yes,
right?
yes. Othello. And a wild card? Really? Oh, the wild card is blank. What? So I get to draw something, I guess, on the back. That's amazing. And there's a bear! Yes! I have no idea what the bear is for. Is there a person in the bear? No. Well, maybe in his tummy, but not in his mouth. And he's also a wild card. Oh my gosh. Bears! Okay. No, wait. We have stages. There's the curtain, and on the back is the exterior, right? Maybe that's what that thing is for. How does that work? There is no instructions with this, by the way. So maybe if I don't think this is gonna work. There's no instructions in that book. It just tells you, things to read.
Because they're different scenes.
This.
Ah, the Merchant of Venice.
How do I make this work? Okay, maybe if I pinch it first.
Merry Wives of Windsor.
Maybe. Let's try this. Let's see. Oh, heck no. Well, wait. Does this work at least? No. This is useless! Okay. The backdrops are going to be interesting. Now, wait a sec. This front, you see, there's a curtain, and they totally have the, there's something behind the curtain. That's a scene. That's a backdrop. This is the curtain. Okay. Do we have a backdrop that'll fit? Here's a backdrop. That is not gonna work. Yep. That's useless. Okay, so let's see what other backdrops we have that are useless. Okay. There's a forest. Okay. I'm still not sure how I'm gonna get this to prop. Oh, here's that thing. This is totally on the cover. See, that is the cover.
Page the active order.
That's totally the cover.
This book does not have instructions. What is this?
Wow.
What is this?
How do I do this? Oh, wait. I use the box? Really? Use the box.
Find a suitable location to set up your Masterpuppet theater. Or Knuckledom.
I use the box. What about this?
All you need is a level surface with easy access for the actors and a clear view for the audience. Once you've decided on a scene, select the appropriate Masterpuppets and backdrops indicated at the top of each page in the folio.
I cannot put this in the backdrop and the curtain. I'm sorry. Look.
Hold.
This does not work. They're the same size. Unless I cut this out. I can't raise the curtain unless I cut it out.
Hold on a second.
See? They lied to me. So I'm assuming